another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is our lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
We're getting ready to board our flight to Memphis, Tennessee, on our connecting flight to meet with the mayor of rural Arkansas. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you all after our flight.
There wasn't any more to that thought, was there?
Nah, not really.
Dr. Ross and I just landed in Memphis, Tennessee, and right now we're in the Music Dome.
That's right.
We have all the music tapestries and artwork above us, and the saying you just saw on the floor. But we're going to get into our hot topics, starting off with Jamie Foxx.
That's right. So Jamie Foxx was recently spotted on a boat right after his hospitalization. We don't know if it's true or not, but he posted videos and photos showing that he's alive and well and very healthy. So
It's our birthday!
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? We want to thank you for coming out tonight. It's the last call at Topgolf. This means we would be...
you guys are gonna have to keep up and comment down below what you think. If you think this is real or not. But IK, what are your thoughts on this?
I'm going to say that the Jamie Foxx in this photo and video looks a little bit fake. It might be just more spin control, adding it saying that Jamie Foxx is still out there on the move.
Exactly.
But the main thing that hit it for me is that Jamie was sitting on that boat kind of like a weird angle, and he never moved.
So maybe he was still injured, or he was still ill, but they were trying to make it seem like he was okay.
That's what I'm thinking.
Or it's an old video that they just posted.
Wow, man. Damn.
And Jamie Foxx is someone who's very outgoing. He would have came up, said to the camera, went on an interview, or did something to show that he's doing well, doing all right.
Exactly.
But-
So I think this is either his daughter posting it or...
I'm thinking so, since the daughter has been doing a lot of spin control recently. But other than that, these are all of our hot topics. Since we're getting ready to meet the mayor of Arkansas, we'll keep you guys posted on our Instagram and YouTube channels. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe, and we'll see you all on the next episode of Rose and Gold.
We'll see you all in Arkansas.